That one?
Yeah, that's one. It's not finished yet, and the modifications I made to it, it's basically, it's not heavily modified. It's just the triggers are modified in.
Is it a toy drum machine?
Yeah, it's a Tandy something. But yeah, it's analog, so it makes like that's where that hum sounds coming from.
What do those knobs do?
They like modify the sounds.
Oh, okay.
That sort of softens the snare off a bit.
Is that something that you can go down to a toy shop to buy today, or is it something very old?
Yeah, it's quite old. You have to trawl eBay to get one. But I don't know. I can let you know what it looks like in its original state if you want to look for one.
Was it
These little switches like add snare to the sound, so it does the sound and the snare at the same time.
Was it difficult to find out how to tweak it, or did it have some kind of knobs to modify the sound in the first place?
I had these like sort of rolly, thumby ones. So those ones modificate like sort of things to tweak the sounds that were built in, and they're the ones that work. The ones I've added don't actually work very well, but I did it yesterday, so more work. Oh, Echo's working.
Okay, let's move over to the Echo, which is a karaoke machine, right?
Yeah.
What part is the karaoke machine?
The main circuit board, which is inside, and some of the knobs which come up. So I can't remember which ones actually, but.
And what have you added to it?
I've circuit bent it, so I've short-circuited the circuit board in some places, and I've added this spring reverb unit at the top from the output of the karaoke machine. So a signal comes out and is sent into the spring, which goes down the spring and is picked up by a piezo mic at the bottom. And then I built a special little amplifier for it. I'm glad this is going. It sounds really good. It's good for making like the sound of doom and the end of the world.
So can you affect the reverb by touching the spring if you want to?
You can do, yeah. I'll put the mix over. Oh. Maybe this isn't
I
working.
shouldn't have said that. Now the helicopters are coming in. Did the karaoke machine have the delay, the echo?
Yes, that's why I started with it. Yeah, karaoke machines are cool. Right. Yeah. Shut up.
Is that feeding back the signal into itself?
Yeah, but it's sort of sampled a bit of that feedback, so you can sort of pitch that bit of feedback. So it's quite nice for making like a feedback loop between the internal electronic delay and the spring, so they sort of battle with each other, and it never quite feeds back properly. Well, it's nice. You can sort of it's a bit like a balancing act getting it to that state, but when it's just sort of on the cusp of feeding back, it sounds really nice.